Hello everyone, hope I sound okay. Watch this fool gonna say I didn't do something right. Here it comes. I already know it's coming. Oh boy. Okay, guys. I am thinking shorts since we broke below the orb here. Let me give that a shot.
Order filled.
3 micros, something real slight. See if that first fair value gap wants to hold. And if not, we will be done with that trade idea at least. I would love to give this a little bit of wiggle room, but I just can't afford it right now. So I'm gonna just keep this at 163. See if I get a 1 to 2 out of it. The volatility is definitely in today. That is for sure. So as you guys can see, I am in a practice account. This is not real money, not yet. And this is not being respected at the moment. I'm gonna let it rock, but I wanted this to flush down. Kind of think it wants to come back up for whatever reason for a second. Yeah, I kind of missed the first bus here. Should have been up here somewhere, maybe in this fair value gap, but we didn't establish a daily range yet. We literally just broke it, and we broke it with some strength. So I'm hoping that we just want to continue lower from here. Looks like it wants to punch a little bit higher. Once again, I don't like to play these fair value gaps all that often, but it seemed like a pretty decent spot to get in at, so let's see. And I noticed that my mic isn't really all the best, so I'm gonna try and have that a little bit closer to me. without you guys hearing every single slurp and gulp I do, but yeah, it's gotta be a little bit better than what's being presented. Cool. Appreciated expert swoosh. Thanks for helping me check stuff here. And this is kind of that push I was looking for. Hopefully, we can just keep on dumping from here. Kind of don't want to see if it. God damn it. Do we have news? Oh, guys, I didn't even check to see if we had news today. Oh, no. Rookie mistake, rookie mistake, rookie mistake. That is definitely a news candle. Oh, it's orange folder. No, but still. That is my bad. That is on me.
Order filled.
Let me get out of that one there. That should not happen. I definitely should have checked news. I'll hop back in if I can, but I definitely should have checked to see if there was news. Rookie mistake, rookie mistake. I was so busy with everything else this morning, I forgot. All right, I kind of want to see if we can get in up here now. A little strength there. Back into the orb range.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it from right here, guys. Yeah, this is not good discipline on my part. Definitely should have checked to see if there was news. That's really bad. That is terrible. That is really terrible. But anyway, break up the 15-minute range here. Fair value gap. Order block here. And it looks like it's just about to stop us back out. Might be done for the morning already. Let's see. Wow, guys. Yep. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. Five minutes says it wants to go lower, but we may get wicked out here. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Yeah, I'm thinking to stop out here, boys. Thinking to stop out here. I mean, if this area can hold, that'd be great, but man, I definitely should have checked to see if we had news today. Oh, wow. And then my headphones die. Oh, come on. Oh, what a morning. 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 What up, guys? Hold up, everybody. Okay, headphones are back in. After all that, man, what a what a morning. The signature thud of morning job. Okay, so is that sensitive? How is it that sensitive to pick up this, but for some reason my voice seems like low at times? I don't get it, but anyway. All right, guys, let's see if we can get back down to these levels here. I can't believe I didn't check that there was news today. That is one of the first things you learn. And another stop out. That's 2 losses in a row, guys. There's 2 losses in a row, and I'm being very strict with this practice account here today. This is not real money. I do not deserve to trade a funded account yet until I can, master little shit like this. I'm playing with light size too. This is really unfortunate. Really unfortunate.
Order filled.
Wow. I had an excellent week. And it looks like it's coming to an end right here. Okay, let's see what Price wants to do. So basically I have 1 more trade left in me. That's nuts. That rejection is crazy. To come right back into the range. The 5-minute agrees it wants to go lower. I'm still not going to give up on this, but that's pretty definitive right there, guys. That's a lot of strength going back to the upside. I don't know what it wants to do yet. Technically, the table is closer to the mic than you are. I mean, technically, but not really. Technically speaking, but not really. Alright, what I'm gonna hate is this next 5-minute candle to retrace all the way back down here. Because this is a strategy right here. So like, you see how this green candle is bigger than the previous black candle? And not only that, it's bigger than the previous like 3 black candles. That's a strong sign that price wants to go higher. But it's really rare that when we establish the first 15 minutes of the day with these 2 lines, if we break below it or break above it, we should just continue to go in that direction. And that's why this Friday morning is tripping me up. It's really rare that this happens. Luckily, we're in practice and there's no, that's what I'm looking for, skin in the game today. And I'm glad I did, because I was definitely about to activate a funded account today. And I'm glad I didn't. So usually what happens is if we break above these 2 red lines, we do something like this, more or less, for the rest of the day. And same thing and vice versa. We break below the red line here, first 15 minutes of the day. Bears meaning sellers, have control pretty much generally for the rest of the day. What usually doesn't happen is this: if we break above or below and we come right back into this 15-minute range, that's rare. That's rare. Which is why we don't put our entire ass into every single trade. Take a screenshot of this. All right, 1 minute. 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 1 Today is definitely one of those days, expert swoosh. Today is definitely one of those days. This is definitely on the weird side. I wish I could just pop out this chat. Let me see. I mean, technically I can. See chat. Yeah, so I don't have to keep on looking over my shoulder here. Yeah, because I don't care about the feed all that much. The feed can be as small as possible. Once again, apologize for mic sensitivity settings. Still trying to figure all of that out. I'm thinking that the music may be a little bit too loud on you guys' end. Try not to, I don't want to drown you guys out with my techno. Like I just wanted a little background noise. Okay, we're not respecting the SMAs. We broke the opening range and we came right back into the range. Not respecting SMAs, nothing's really making any sense right now, so I guess we just sit on hands. We got a 5-minute bullish engulfing outside of the orb after we broke orb pretty strongly on the 5. That's weird. You see something? Yeah, it's the first 15. Oh, wait. Oh no, the first no. Hold up. I didn't mark out the first 15 correctly. Wait a minute. This is my orb. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Wait. Yeah. Oh. And that's why we're in practice. That's exactly. Okay, now all right. Now we're making a little bit more sense. Oh, I should be going. Okay. Or, wait a minute. Because that doesn't look right either. What's the first 15 minutes of the day? $45. No, it's right here. I was right at first. Why doesn't this look right? I need to look over the strategy again. That's what I need to do. Let me look at my notes here. Look at my notes. It's the first 15 minutes of the day. And if we break out of that, so it should end at 4:45. So I was right at first. Yeah, this will be the next 15. Nothing's making sense right now. And so we wait. notes are crazy though. Yeah, my hands are kind of tied here. I can't really do nothing in this range right here. I have no SBS. 30 seconds suggested it wants to keep pushing higher. I can't trust that. Sorry, I'm talking about my supervisor. It doesn't matter what I do. It's just make sure you do this, make sure you do that. It's like, dude, chill. I'm doing everything I can. Shit's crazy, man. Shit is absolutely nuts. All right, let's see where we're at in the higher time frame. Higher time frame will suggest that price is completely fucking confused. Yeah, I don't really know what it's reacting off. Maybe all this nonsense in here. Boom. But if it wanted to keep pushing up, it would have respected this, right? Maybe that was too easy. Well, luckily we are not in an account that matters, but I am treating this as if this is my actual account. And I will be done for the day once I hit my daily limit, which isn't too much. I have what, 300? I have $100 to play with. Jeez. It's funny, I don't stream the absolutely awesome days that I had this week, and then I take 2 L's live on camera, on stream, in front of you, live. Fuck it, we'll do it live. Yeah, I got nothing here. I have absolutely nothing here. I don't know what price wants to do. It's not respecting this gap right here. We're above the 200. And the 20 is trying to meet the 200 on the 1 minute. But I'm pretty sure on the 5 minute, it says, hey, stay bearish. Yeah. Yeah, but look at all this strength right here. This may be one of those, this might be one of those confusing New York sessions, but at least we have clarity. The opening range, this gives us a little bit of clarity. This tells us where we shouldn't be trading at. The SMAs tell us that, hey, this is most likely the direction and the trend. So it's pretty clear what we need to be doing here. And what we need to be doing is absolutely nothing. Not a goddamn thing. No buttons need to be pressed right now. Discipline. A little bit more coffee, be back. Sorry about that, guys. I am technically at work. I am a working man, and you'll hear pings every now and again. What do we got here? Yeah. If you want to play that very risky short right there, you probably could have. Excuse me, long. I'd rather not. Broke through the orb with some strength, and now, dang, do I switch long? I mean, I almost have to at this point, right? I'm gonna stay disciplined. I don't have a model to work off of. But it is looking kind of bull flaggy. Don't really trade those though, but this kind of looks like a long. I'll give it a shot. Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
Order filled.
See if we want to start busting into these levels up here. Once again, I ain't got too much room to play with right now. Unless we want to just come right back into this range. But yeah, that's calling the exact top. Didn't notice that. Yeah,
Order filled.
Cut that off. Okay, guys, I might be done for today. Yeah, like I've already locked out my practice account. That is very unfortunate. That is very, I have almost nothing left. Yeah, I just longed at the top of the range, Jesus. I still kind of like this though.
Order filled.
Back in, and I don't have enough room to give it. That's crazy. This is probably the correct answer right here, guys, but I don't have enough room to see this through all the way because I'm already about to be stopped out at DLL.
Order filled.
And there it is. Oh boy. Correct. It doesn't require a formal uninstallation process. Andre may want to relay that to Ali so that he's not pulling his hair. Okay, guys. Well, that would have been DLL for if I actually activated an account today. So that's fine. That's cool. I'm going to leave that practice account the way it is. I'm going to switch over to another dead account and see if there's any more opportunity. I still think this long is the correct idea.
Order filled.
So I'm just going to give that one more shot. This looks like the correct move. And if it's not, then, well, Bob is not your uncle. We just got a cross here on the SMA. The only problem is you are longing at the exact top of the range here. That's the only thing that I see that's really wrong here. Oh man, tough day. Yeah, the rest of the week was much easier than today. And we're still technically trying to trade within this range. So this could almost like bust me out again. Volume is really high right now. This is 3 micros, and that's already almost a $200 stop. I mean, it's a rough day. It's a rough day. Did you just refer to me in the third person like I'm not here? Like what? Sorry, I'm doing work stuff as I sit in another losing trade here. Oh man, why is it? Just been an L discipline when I get on stream, huh? But this looks promising. I don't see why we want to go lower anymore, so I'm thinking we go higher from here. It would be nice if we can what would be nice is if we can sit in this trade right here as it breaks this line, kind of confirming that we want to punch a little bit higher. The problem is we're just at the top of the range and sellers are just not going to give that shit up easily. At least without something, at least without some weirdo random super duper spike down. Yeah, you see how we just can't break above this, even though the SMAs suggest we want to go higher. It's because everybody that's sold right here is like, hell nah, we don't want to give this up, not yet. We're gonna push this shit. We're gonna push it downwards, and then if bulls want to step right back in after they've given up and they finally realize, hey, we're going higher, they'll just exit their positions, and that's when we'll get this super duper push back up. But I'm hoping that I'm correct here, and bulls want to step in right here. There's not too much of a need there. I can see revisiting this kind of area here, but yeah, let me get rid of this to kind of clean this up a little bit. We don't need this anymore. So yeah, here we are longing the top of the range. And we're having so much trouble. Sellers do not want to give up. Sellers just want to keep going. But bulls are like, hell nah. Bulls just want to keep on bulling. Bulls just want to keep on bullying. Alrighty, so now what I want to see is I want to see us break this orb with some strength. But we can't just nip it. We gotta close above it. And that whole support becomes resistance becomes support type of deal. So what I would like to see is I would like to see a really big jump right here. Maybe come back to test it and start to go a little bit higher. That would be ideal, and yeah, and see that right there? That's exactly what I didn't want to see. I didn't want to see us nip this and come right back into the range. That's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. So we nip the range here and we instantly reject. That's tough. That's really tough. Yeah, see how we come right back down. Yeah, so see how we just wicked it. We're not holding. That's a terrible sign. We're in a decent spot, but that's not good. Yeah, I wanted to see us close above here and just start to hold that area. Yeah, see. Oh man, this is a tough day. This is a tough day. This is a tough day. Tough day. Tough day. Calling it correctly though, but tough day. Oh man, this would have made me sick if I was actually trading an account. I'm not playing this. This would have had me just Okay, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not really feeling this. I'm not feeling how we're not. We just want to come right back into the range. That's it's kind of scaring me a little bit. The only thing right now, the only thing in my favor is the SMA. So if we come all the way back up here and we reject right back down, I may just get out. I might just get out right here. Put this on here. And tell the chat what I'm doing here. All right, guys. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. I'm not gonna lie. It's not looking good. Wow, so we want to what did we do during London? Because usually if New York is ass, that usually means that London was good. And it was, it was kind of average. Yeah, it's kind of average. Yeah, we may just want to range all day. We might just want to range all day, guys. Bullish engulfing didn't respect. Like last line in the sand. Next 5 minute didn't want to close above. We have big 5 minute gaps here to the bottom. I mean, I don't know anybody that would want to trade in this chop though, in this range. But I can kind of see us holding here. Kind of makes me want to do this right here. But that's just, I mean, that risk to reward is just not good. Do I close it? Do I close it? Do I close it? Do I close it? Because this still has potential to go up. Just doesn't look the best. not the best day as far as a technical analysis standpoint. You have like a little mini SBS going on here. So we call a SBS model 1 on the lower time frame. You have a 1, 2, 3. We'll probably need to punch back down here. So I'm gonna close this.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna look for more opportunity around here. Okay, get rid of this fucking fair value gap. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Looking back at this stream, I do have a lot of tools here. I need to streamline this. And we're gonna 1, 2, 3. 1, yeah, 2, 3. Yeah, I would need price to punch like back down into here for me to get involved now. It's rough, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this is rough. Not gonna lie to you, this one is rough. You see what I mean? See how we just wanted to punch down a little bit lower just to go a little bit higher? Rough day. Rough day. See, this is the type of shit that'll make a nigga mad. This price action is really what will make a nigga real mad, because what the fuck? Yeah, like look at this shit. Very frustrating price action today. 1, 2. Yeah, this is a 1 in year 2. 3. Nah, it has to be this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man. There's nothing you can do about it. Very frustrating price action. Yeah, guys. I'm just checking over chats, seeing what at least one of my mentors is saying, and even he's saying like, yeah, no, this shit sucks. This shit is really bad. Yeah, this is bad, guys. This is bad. All right. I might come back for the afternoon session, cause I'm not about to stick around and bang my head against the wall with this shit. This is, guys, this is really horrendous. This is really horrendous price action. What we got on the 5 minute? The 5 minute, we got yet another bullish engulfing. And we're now engulfing that. We're barcoding. You see this right here? This shit right here is a death sentence. So yeah. Yeah, guys. My strategy is just not making any. Nothing is making sense right now. Like nothing. 1, 2. I would have wanted this to complete the sequence here. Stretch this out here, but see, I don't like doing shit like this, right? I don't like nickel and diming price. I don't like forcing my strat. So now I'm just nitpicking. Technically, this little sequence is complete. Yeah, it's just not making too much sense today. Yeah, it's just not making too much sense today. Let me see. I mean, what's funny is this 1 minute held. Very choppy. Yeah, whenever you see shit like this, take a high, retrace back into the range, take a high, retrace back into the range, take a high, retrace back into the range. Like, this is the only clean thing that we've gotten. And, oh my god. Sure. 1 second, I will call you. All right, guys. So, yeah, I'm about to go do some work. This is not conducive to a winning market. I'll come back in the PM session and see if there's anything there.